If you are a cat parent, you know how important it is to keep your furry friend's space clean and odor-free. That is why today we are talking about the best automatic cat litter box options that make life easier for both you and your cat. These smart litter boxes save time, reduce odors, and give your pet a cleaner, more comfortable bathroom experience. All product links are in the description below, so let us dive in and get started with the video. PetPivot Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is the perfect solution for cat owners looking to simplify litter box maintenance while keeping their furry friend happy and healthy. This model is built with a spacious open-top design featuring a generous 16.33-inch by 15.35-inch entrance, making it ideal even for larger cats. Your cat will appreciate the roomy feel and better ventilation, which can help reduce odors and keep the space fresher for longer. The open-top style also makes it easier for cats that prefer a less enclosed space, encouraging them to use it consistently. Safety is a top priority with this automatic litter box, and PetPivot has included 4 infrared sensors and 3 Hall effect sensors to detect your cat's presence. This ensures the cleaning cycle pauses immediately if your cat enters, preventing any accidents and giving you peace of mind. The large 10-liter waste bin is a game changer, letting you go for several days without emptying, which is perfect for busy pet parents. You will also love how whisper quiet this unit is, operating at less than 32 decibels, so it will not disturb you even at night. Setup is completely hassle-free with a simple plug-and-play system, and you do not need Wi-Fi or a mobile app to get it running. When it's time to clean, the quick-release design allows you to disassemble it in just 3 steps, and the smooth interior with no tricky corners makes wiping it down fast and easy. The PetPivot Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box is designed to save you time, keep your home smelling fresh, and create a stress-free bathroom experience for your cat. Cumrige Self-Cleaning Litter Box is a modern and highly intelligent solution for cat owners who want convenience, safety, and cleanliness in one sleek package. This automated litter box is designed with cat safety as the top priority, using advanced sensors that detect your cat's presence and automatically pause the cleaning cycle so your feline companion can feel completely safe and undisturbed. The Cumrige model stands out with its massive 95-liter drum capacity, making it perfect for cats between 2.2 and 33 pounds, whether you have one cat or a multi-cat household. Its generous 15-liter waste bin can hold up to 15 days of waste, which is ideal if you travel frequently or simply prefer fewer cleanup sessions. Noise is never an issue with this unit, thanks to its whisper-quiet operation, allowing your cat to do their business even in the middle of the night without waking anyone. One of its best features is its built-in deodorizing system that locks in odors, preventing leakage and keeping your living space fresh. Cleanup is also effortless with its smooth design, making it simple to wipe down and maintain. What truly makes the Cumrige Self-Cleaning Litter Box smart is its Tuya Smart app integration, which allows you to monitor your cat's bathroom habits, schedule cleanings, receive notifications for full bins, and even track health data, all from your smartphone. Compatible with 2.4G Wi-Fi, this gives you full control and peace of mind even when you are away from home. The Cumrige Self-Cleaning Litter Box is perfect for busy pet parents who value hygiene, safety, and modern technology in their pet care routine. Neakasa M1 Open-Top Cat Litter Box is designed to give your feline friend the freedom, comfort, and safety they deserve while making life easier for you. This model stands out with its spacious open-top design, which cats naturally prefer over cramped or enclosed options. It provides a welcoming space that reduces stress and helps your cat transition smoothly to an automated litter box, even if they are on the larger side. With a generous 11.23-liter waste capacity and 7.17-liter litter capacity, this litter box offers up to 14 days of maintenance-free operation, which is perfect for busy owners or short trips away from home. It is ideal for single or multi-cat households, accommodating cats from 2.2 pounds up to 33 pounds, and even includes a special kitten mode to keep your youngest pets safe. Safety is a top priority with the M1, featuring 5 pairs of infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors that detect when your cat is inside or near the box. If your cat interacts with the unit during a cleaning cycle, it automatically pauses to avoid any risk. The Neakasa app keeps you connected by letting you monitor bathroom habits, track litter levels, and remotely control operation modes right from your phone. The M1 also helps keep your home clean with a soft mat that reduces litter tracking and keeps your floors tidy. Best of all, its self-cleaning mechanism, combined with the innovative pull and wrap waste disposal system, makes maintenance simple and hygienic, sealing waste in odor-blocking bags with just one pull. The Neakasa M1 open-top cat litter box is the perfect blend of comfort, safety, and convenience, helping create a cleaner and fresher home for you and your cat. Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box is a fantastic choice for kitten and medium-sized cat owners who want a reliable, quiet, and smart self-cleaning solution. This model is thoughtfully designed to suit the size and habits of smaller and medium cats, making it perfect for homes with one playful kitten or several furry companions. One of the highlights of this litter box is its whisper-quiet operation at under 35 decibels, which is as soft as a light hum. This ensures a calm environment for both you and your cat, even during nighttime cleaning cycles. The Mintakawa litter box connects easily to your smartphone via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing you to monitor your cat's weight, toilet duration, and visit frequency in real time through the companion app. This health tracking feature is a big plus for pet parents who want to stay on top of their cat's well-being. Cleaning this litter box is a breeze. Simply lift the drum for quick access, and since the drum is fully water washable, you can give it a deep clean whenever necessary, ensuring a fresh and sanitary space for your pet. The product does require about 90 minutes of assembly, but Mintakawa provides detailed instructions and an installation video to make the process smooth. For those who want a simpler setup, there is also a pre-assembled version available from the brand. With its combination of smart features, quiet performance, and easy maintenance, the Mintakawa Automatic Cat Litter Box is an excellent addition to any cat-friendly home, giving you more time to enjoy your pet and less time scooping litter. Fumoi self-cleaning litter box is a smart, spacious, and safe solution for cat parents who want to keep their home clean with minimal effort. This large-capacity litter box is designed for multi-cat households, featuring a generous 95-liter litter drum that easily accommodates multiple pets and a 15-liter sealed waste compartment that allows for extended use, making it perfect for busy owners or those who travel frequently. Safety comes first with Fumoi, as it is equipped with advanced infrared motion sensors that immediately pause the cleaning cycle if your cat is detected inside, giving you peace of mind even when using remote monitoring. Its leak-proof edges and removable waste tray prevent messy spills, while the included washable liner makes cleaning easy and eco-friendly, saving you money on disposable bags over time. The smart app integration truly sets this litter box apart. You can control automatic cleaning cycles, schedule waste disposal, track litter usage, and even receive real-time alerts when the bin is full, all from your phone using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection.